Namaskar friends. You all know that Mahatma Gandhi ji was a great leader. He played a great role in getting freedom for our country by walking on the path of truth and non-violence. But do you also know that he was a great journalist also? He had 6 publications under his name. He published no ads in his newspapers. According to him, newspapers were not a vocation for earning livelihood, but as a means to serve the public. So his first newspaper was Indian Opinion, which he started on 4th June 1903 in Durban, South Africa. He started it along with Mansukhlal Hiralal Nazar. He went to South Africa for fighting a case because he was an advocate, Dada Abdullah. But he saw the plight of Indians there and he decided to fight for this. So he used this newspaper to fight against the racial discrimination and to demand civil rights for Indians. This newspaper was published in English, Gujarati, Tamil and Hindi. Then his second publication was Young India. It was a magazine, weekly magazine, which was started in 1919 and it ran from 1919 to 1931. And then he started Navjeevan. Its exact date is not found on internet, so you can, okay, if you get to know about it, please tell me also. Then Navjeevan. These both publications were used to educate people on Satyagraha because he was fighting against the Rowlatt Act and the Jallianwala Bagh massacre at that time. Then in 1933, he started 3 newspapers. Harijan in English, Harijan Bandhu in Gujarati, then Harijan Sevak in Hindi. So these 3 newspapers were used to generate awareness against untouchability and about poverty in rural areas. So these were the 6 publications: Indian Opinion, Young India, Navjeevan, Harijan, Harijan Bandhu, Harijan Sevak. So remember all these 6 publications. Thank you so much.